Welcome to this training session on Lean MUDA, the concept of waste elimination in lean manufacturing. We'll explore the types of waste, their impact on efficiency, and how to systematically address them for operational excellence. MUDA refers to any activity that uses resources, but doesn't add value to the final product from the customer's perspective. By focusing on eliminating MUDA, we ensure that every process contributes to customer satisfaction. Eliminating waste drives operational efficiency, reduces costs, and improves product quality, ultimately leading to better customer satisfaction. This forms the foundation of Lean principles. Lean identifies 7 types of waste, often remembered by the acronym TIMWOOD. Each represents a unique way that resources are misused, and we'll look at each in detail. Transportation waste occurs when materials or products are moved unnecessarily. By optimizing layouts and implementing just-in-time systems, we can minimize this waste. Inventory waste ties up capital and increases the risk of obsolescence. Lean encourages maintaining only what is necessary through pull systems to address this. Motion waste occurs when unnecessary physical activity is required. Organizing workspaces with 5S can greatly reduce wasted motion. Motion waste occurs when unnecessary physical activity is required. Organizing workspaces with 5S can greatly reduce wasted motion. Overproduction occurs when products are made in greater quantities or earlier than required. This leads to increased storage costs and the risk of obsolescence. Using tools like Kanban systems and production leveling can mitigate overproduction waste. Overprocessing happens when we add more effort or features than needed, which increases costs without adding value to the customer. Streamlining processes and focusing on what the customer values most can eliminate this type of waste. Defects waste resources and time. By focusing on quality control measures and automation with 𝐅𝒂𝒂, we can address this type of waste effectively. Effective strategies include value stream mapping to identify waste, continuous improvement through Kaizen, and empowering employees to contribute to problem solving. Praxi provides simple yet powerful tools for addressing waste, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, eliminating MUDA is at the heart of Lean. By focusing on these principles and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can achieve lasting operational excellence. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.